So, what is a creative brief in the context of your dream home, and why do you need it? Well, it's a roadmap to guide you through your journey. It keeps you on track, it keeps you focused on the right mile markers, and it's a central document that showcases the grand vision that you have for your living space. In essence, the creative brief is the story of your future home. And our unique approach combines the practical aspects of home building with the emotional and personal aspirations of you, the homeowner. And once you have it, it helps you and your professionals keep on track, ensuring that every concept explored, every finish selected, every problem resolved, and every decision you make while you design and build your dream home aligns with your ultimate goals. And with it, you feel empowered because you have closed the loop on that transition. And you've gone from what's the matter with us to what matters to us. And the thing I realized in studying all our projects was that when we used this approach and when we did the important work at the beginning, we had better outcomes at the end. We made better decisions in selecting our professional team, in designing our home, getting through our budgetary process, value engineering, getting through construction, all the way to our move in or project completion. And that's exactly what you want and need when you're building your dream home. So those are the three course sections.